gym floor abrasion process removes soil, scuffs, and contaminants from flooring surfaces, preventing them from becoming embedded below the next layer of finish. It also creates abrasion cuts in the existing finish, allowing the next layer of finish to adhere to the overall gym finish system. Wood floors must have sufficient finish build for the wet prep method. New or sanded floors should be recoated at least 2 to 3 times before wet preparation. Glue-down installations should only be prepared dry. Remove any gum or tape that is stuck to the floor. Dust mop with a properly treated cotton dust mop to remove all visible debris. When using a water-based gym finish, either a floor machine or an auto scrubber can be used to abrade and clean the floor. When using a solvent-based gym finish, all abrasion must be performed with a floor machine. In a mop bucket, dilute 1 part Hillyard pregame to 4 parts water. Apply the diluted pregame solution over a 10-foot by 10-foot area. Scrub the floor thoroughly. For water-based finish application, use Trident MFP pads to abrade the floor. Each pad should be used for 250 to 500 square feet per side. After both sides of the pad have been used, discard and replace it. For a solvent-based finish application, use a 120 grit screen disc to abrade the floor. Each screen should be used for 250 square feet per side. Vacuum the slurry with a wet vacuum. Rinse the same area with clean water and recover the water with a wet vacuum. Alternatively, use an auto scrubber to rinse and recover. Repeat these steps until the entire floor has been properly cleaned and abraded. Using an auto scrubber for gym floor abrasion allows you to apply solution, scrub, and vacuum in one operation. In the machine solution tank, dilute 1 part Hillyard pregame to 4 parts water. Equip the machine with a Trident MFP pad. Scrub the floor thoroughly, overlapping appropriately. Flip the MFP pad after 250 to 500 square feet of use. Replace it after both sides have been used. When abrasion is complete, rinse the floor with clean water to remove any squeegee marks or residue. Tack the floor using a push broom and Turkish towel treated with a dilution of 1 part Hillyard pregame to 4 parts water. After wet abrasion, allow for sufficient dry time as determined by the gym finish label directions before proceeding to finish application. Before applying the gym finish, dry tack the floor using a pre-treated dust cloth system. Perform this step immediately before finishing to remove any dust or fine particles that may have settled on the surface.